This is converting petrol engine to electric engine. You are going to see the process of the conversion. Just keep calm and see it play live. If you're in technical school, this is for you. This is a tricycle. We are trying to convert the tricycle from petrol engine to electric engine. This is just a simple thing. What is needed here is simple calming down to understand the required process. You can see it here. Now here comes the process. This is the petrol engine itself. We are losing the engine top. After losing the engine top, the next phase, let's keep watching. This is the engine top of the petrol engine we are losing. Our objective is to convert this petrol engine of tricycle to electric tricycle. That is the objective. Now we are going to convert it manually as you are watching. Don't go anywhere. And remember, as you are watching, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends, your children in technical schools, your well-wishers. Let them learn and see that we are in a new era. The future is zero emission, and we are heading to that future, which is zero emission. And one of the advantages of that zero emission is that we are going to have a friendly climate and weather condition. We are losing the petrol engine. Of the tricycle. Remember, tricycle are those machines or those vehicles that has 3 tires. So this is the petrol engine. We are going to make it electric engine. Keep watching. Don't go anywhere. And don't forget to subscribe and share to your loved ones. And we have numerous videos of this petrol engine conversion in our YouTube channel. Always follow up so that you not be outdated. The future is electric vehicle, and the future is zero emission. The future is good climate change. We are trying to remove the piston and rings in the engine. With simple fabricating tools, you can do this. This is a new engine block that can suit electric motor. A new engine block that can suit electric motor has been installed. Inside the engine, the only thing I will remove was the piston cup. This is what determines the movement of the engine. So we are going to fix it with electric motor. Good. This is the electric motor. You can get it for $500 or $1,000 depending on the horsepower and depending on the make. We are about to attach the electric motor seating so that the electric motor can have a seating. This is the battery. It's been attached to the electric motor. This is the transformer and the electric motor transformer. The transformer serves as the capacitor as well that transfers current to the motor. You can see it's already working. It's already working. It's meant to attach the battery to the engine or to the body of the tricycle. This is attachment time. This is the attachment time. Trying to attach the motor to the tricycle. As a student, you need this information to be informed. Share this to potential students. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please. And you can watch other of our previous videos on electric car conversion. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe, please. We are pleading. You can see we are down in subscription in this channel. It is a move, as you can see. And thank you for watching. Thank you.